Good morning, everyone. Let me get everything squared away and situated. Make sure everything's coming in. Okay. Let me send this out. Got some construction going on today, so hopefully it's not too distracting. But we might not. I'm looking at the charts right now, and we might not get too much this morning because we have heavy news coming out at 10 o'clock. My mentor is coming at 9:15, and I looked at the charts, and it's barely even moved. So let me just send this. I thought my people was gonna tune in today, be a special guest. Maybe that can give us something. I may or may not catch anything this morning because it looks like price isn't moving at all. I'm gonna try to call him one more time. Nope, nada. Okay, so let's get on these charts. It's 8:02. We can do a recap from yesterday. As you guys can see, that 15-minute balance that I had called yesterday got completely filled and smashed through. If you guys remember from yesterday, we were over here. We got in the entry around this. We broke up, took all this out, and then I said, okay, I want to see it pull into here. It did so. Super cool. And then retraced all the way back down during the PM session. Came back to this new week opening gap. And then just consolidated around equilibrium, which is this green line. So my only thing is, normally when we get on the charts overnight, we'll see a lot of movement. We have been in this range since 8 o'clock last night. You see that? Stuck between this purple line, which was that 1 hour liquidity, and between equilibrium. So I'm not going to get chopped up in this mess. It hasn't moved like at all. And then secondly, look at the DXY in comparison. The DXY has been pumping since last night, like especially since, what did we say, 8 o'clock? We came down, took out some liquidity, sell side, came up to buy side liquidity. So, and this is that low that we had yesterday that I said the sell side liquidity was at, and I wanted to see it get down there, which it did. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. What's this? That was the drawn liquidity originally, so I'm gonna delete that. So we've been like trading up, and look at this like magnitude. It's not met with the magnitude here. So we have a divergence. And check this out. We've been making higher highs, boom, 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 boom. But we haven't been making lower lows. I mean, I guess maybe one, but definitely not to the same magnitude. And it's not just SPX, like it's NAS too, Dow. So I would assume based off the DXY is going down, SPX, but I don't feel like I see some relatively equal lows, which could be the draw in liquidity. I just wish there was a little bit more movement in tandem with the DXY. Like normally when I get on the charts at this time, I can see a little something. But look, we just broke market structure shift bullishly. So, I don't know. Like, I guess this is the time where we take a note of what market is like prior to some heavy news. Like, we have Powell speaking today at 10 o'clock. So, like, it's looking like it want to reach up. We just came down into this inversion fair value gap. So, I know normally we tend to play it safe. I mean, we tend to trade before news. That's if it's presenting something. I'm not really seeing it. It's not really tandem with the DXY. Let me see if I can try to make something out of this. I see this here that we just pulled back into to send price into this inefficiency. That could be a thing. And so if it's going to go down, then that means that SPX is going to go up. And so I saw some movement trying to pull up, but I thought it was going to fill in some of this beef right here. But I mean, we still have a lot of beef right here to fill in. Like, we still have this volume imbalance. So, and then we got some beef from yesterday. So we traded up, traded back down. We didn't necessarily trade through to make it completely balanced. So I mean, that's the best I got right now. Is this inefficiency could be drawing to? I see these relatively equal lows, but the market's not breaking lower, it's breaking higher. I see this volume imbalance right here. I just don't want to get caught. And I got my new promotion. Like, I'm not trying to lose money on a day where I probably shouldn't even be trading in the first place. I like it so far. Where is it reacting from? It just made relatively equal highs here. What is spread right now? Is that still normal? Yeah. I enter here. 2 pip stop loss. Yeah. Okay, this is not a trading service. I'm not signaling anybody. I'm not a financial advisor. We're just reading the tape. Let me see. And I don't even know if I'm forcing it right now. Like, if I should be waiting. So we shall see, man. As of right now, I know it's all chop. But sometimes you can trade in these bad conditions. You just got to be nimble. And you just have to take what you can while you can. and read tape. And so let me get my parameters set. 4056. 405. How does it keep doing that? How is it putting me in an entry that price hasn't even came to? It don't make no sense. A spread, I guess. 405618. That is not where I wanted to enter. I hate spread, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do it really tight. Let's see where 5 handles takes us. Dang, 5 handles never seemed so far before. Goodness gracious, outside the consolidation? No. But preferably the draw liquidity is up here. Into this 15-minute fair value gap. But look how far, like, we're stuck in this consolidation, Brody. 5 handles never seem so far. And we have these relatively equal lows here. You know, the magnet is this here when we're not in a trending market. Man, oh man. The only thing is, I just don't see any setup for a sell. I mean, it could be right here. Especially with the DXY pulling up into its fair value gap from the 1 hour. I wanted to see some rejection lower. But now that I'm looking at it right now, I do see this here. Take out those equal lows with a stop loss up here. So choppy, guys. This is probably should have just sat sidelines. Now we have to endure this mess, weather this storm. Yep, so just gotta with the DXY, I'm not seeing any type of willingness to go lower. So this means it might be going higher, which means SPX will be going lower. Withdraw on liquidity, if it's just these relatively equal lows. We have this magnet from the new week opening gap, could be drawing price. We would have to get through a lot of mess to get up. Okay, so we would have to see, for this to remain true, we would have to see this volume imbalance be respected. I feel like that's probably the last line of defense for the bulls. Because we did just pull up in here. It's looking like it's giving a nice reaction lower. No, I don't want to see that. The DXY showing any indication to want to go down. Have we seen a break in market structure bearishly yet? A shift? We have these relatively equal highs. 5 minute. So nasty. Yep, no respect. That could have been the 5 if that's the draw. So now if it is going to break bearishly, it will need to respect this volume imbalance. Yep. Yep, guys. Yep. It's looking like it is. Yep, and the DXY looks like it's pushing up higher. Yep. So this might be the draw on liquidity lower. It's 816. Yep. Definitely showing a willingness to go lower. Keeps pulling up and then, yep, okay. Gotta be nimble. Okay, that's fine. Out of there. US 500 hasn't, it's still pulling into its fair value gap. NAS not looking too bad. What about Dow? Dow looks like it's trying to, man, SPX, you're the only one. Look at this. NAS pulling into its bullish fair value gap. It's so busy, showing a nice reaction. Dow, oh no, it's going lower too. Okay guys, the DXY, if it goes down, we go up. If it goes up, we go down. It's looking like it wants to react off of this and fill this in. That's what I want to see for my buys. But I guess we did already touch here, right here, to send it higher. I want to see it just pull down here. Maybe we can get our 5 handles that way. Not respect this and go higher to here. I want to see it come down into here. And that's if we're going to be in tandem with the DXY, because the DXY can do its own thing if we don't have symmetry. So let's go back to the tape. Okay. Oh my goodness, look how close it got to my stop loss. Y'all, remind me to sit sidelines on days like this. Remind me it's not worth it. Normally, I take the first week of the month off, but this is the second week. I knew it was going to be like, so I'm not going to make any excuses. I knew it was going to be like this. Man, look how close that got. Now we have to see it break higher though. So we're not out the woodworks yet. It could have easily just pulled back up into this inversion fair value gap to continue lower. We need to see some highs being broken for me to have any type of confidence in this. I am glad though that it made this low, didn't take out this low and had a sharp return. But now we just have to get through this fire. Ooh, y'all. Tomorrow we got more news coming out like this. I don't know if I'll be able to do it again. I might not be able to do it again because days like this where it's not going to be like so precise might have you questioning like the algorithm or the rules, because like that fair value gap would have been, that volume imbalance would have been really nice if it would have respected it and sent price higher, but it came through it a little bit. But I'm glad that it's giving this reaction now. The only thing is I need to see it not respect this. And right now it's like piercing it. I need to see it break higher. Whew, come on. Let me look at NAS. NAS looking like it wants to break higher. See, NAS following the rules, man. NAS, oof, look at NAS, y'all. NAS doing everything it's supposed to do. Like it came down into this BISI, broke up. At least NAS can follow directions. Hopefully SPX can follow suit. Oof, that's not what I want to see though. Okay, here we go. That's what I want to see. Come on, take this out. There we go. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. Yeah, these are the days where he probably says stay sideline. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. I'm good with twists. Okay, guys, I'm liking this so far. Taking out this, I need to take out that high. Man, that was some deep drawdown. I'm really grateful that it was able to come through it and we were able to weather the storm. But ideally, that is not what I would have liked to see. It just took out this high now. We want to see it continue to push with energy, taking out this one. It has a lot of volume imbalance back here, but I'm really grateful. Look at the DXY. I'm so grateful the DXY is pulling into this 1 hour. It already passed through its 15-minute a little bit. I didn't even see that last time. I need to see it continue because we did just break a structure. Here's the fair value gap left behind. Oof. So, because if it respects off this and goes higher, then our pair is going to go lower. So we want to see it rip through this and continue to go lower, preferably drawing to this liquidity down here. We don't want to see any respect of this 15-minute fair value gap. Ooh, come on, push. We got above this inversion fair value gap. I need to see, it didn't quite take out that high yet, which I wanted to see. now the fact that we got over this hump, I got to see some rejection up in this inversion fair value gap to take out these two highs. And the DXY is looking like it's respecting that 15-minute fair value gap a little too much for my liking. A lot too much, actually. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Now I see Powell speaking. We may not want to go ahead of Powell. Let me take a note of that, because this, I don't know if it's all in my head or this is for real. Okay. Yep. It's respecting a little too much for me. Volume imbalance. It's respecting that bullish fair value gap too much, because if the DXY goes up, then our indices are going down, and that's facts. If it's in tandem. Did the NAS make a higher high? NAS low-key did make a higher high on the 1 minute at 823. 823. We did not. I guess right here, if you consider that a higher high. Dow's kind of like us. It didn't really make a higher high. NAS did. Who's leading the wave, man? As long as nobody making a lower low. Ugh, SPX better not be the one to make a lower low. NAS is acting so nice. Like, NAS is doing what it's supposed to. How come I can't have that same energy with SPX, man? Give me that same energy. The DXY. Still showing respect for the bulls. If the I don't know why I wanted to see the DXY go down. Maybe oh. That's too much. That's too much. I don't know why I wanted to see it go down. But yeah, if the DXY goes up, we're going down. And that's big facts. I don't know. I guess I wanted to see the DXY go down because it pulled into this 1 hour fair value gap. But it's not. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, the DXY is looking like it's respecting this fair value gap a little too much for my liking. So, see, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, the first thing I said was that it was trending up. I just couldn't find an entry for a sell. But now I see the entry came from right here. So we're going to change. We taking that out. It'd be like that. Targeting these equal lows. Man. So we just have some clear displacement. This, I didn't even see that originally till after the fact. But now we can possibly pull back up into here to take out those lows if it gives us any entry. And that's if we're on the right side. Let me see. 8:30. 8:30. 1.9. Yeah. Maybe we can get something. 8:30 just came. Maybe we can get an entry. That's if we're on the right side. Yep. I'm learning my lesson. Do not stand in front of Powell. That is not the best idea. Do not stand in front of Powell. But we shall see. Changing it up. We see this volume imbalance. It's respected it now, gave displacement lower. Maybe we can get something from the 2022 model. Respect it up in here to send price lower. Down to here, underneath those lows. But I'm like, and the draw on liquidity would have to be the magnet. Because I don't really see any. I mean, we do have all this beef. Like, don't get me wrong. We got all this beef right here. The only thing is, look, it's so messy. Look at this. It's so choppy. So, this is a learning lesson. Oof. Can't let this ruin your career. Definitely can't get chopped up. Because now the DXY is not showing as much oomph to go up as it just was. 8:30 just happened. What's NAS doing? NAS looks like it's still following the bullish rules, in my opinion. It did make a lower low, though, on the 1 minute. That matches our lower low. So this is the 1 minute displacement 2022 model. Shows some reaction lower. And it's not. So, man, oh man. It's not. It's not. So we knew it going in. We were in a rude awakening for some chop. 40.56. Low key back at my entry for the buys. I got caught up, man. They got me. They got me, y'all. They got me. Because now I had my buy at 40.56.18. They caught me, man. They caught me. And then look at NAS. They got me, y'all. They sent that lower. They had me thinking I was wrong just to send it higher. What is DXY doing? DXY consolidate around. So we learned something valuable today. Do not stand, don't trade before Powell. Take the day off or wait till after his news release, because they're going to try to get you. They're going to try to get you any way that they can. Yep. So let's just watch tape, I guess, at this point. Look at this. Man. It did not show any respect to this volume imbalance for the bulls. It made a lower low. It's not following any rules right now. And that's what you will expect before a major news driver. Yep. Now we know. Don't even do it. We could probably test the waters before any other news event. But pal, don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Chop, chop, chop. And that's my fault. That is my fault. But we learned a valuable lesson today. Look at this. Since we got on, has it moved? I thought it was at least going to be inside of this range on the 15-minute. But now we're like on a range on a 5-minute. Yeah. All bad. Now it's retesting this inversion fair value gap, which I wanted to do when I was in my buys. But no, it just traded right down through it. Took out a low, took out 2 lows actually. And now, okay, so after 8:30, it came up. We still haven't taken out any highs yet. But it didn't respect this right there. So yep. It's hard navigating. And my mentor said yesterday it would be hard to navigate. So now I know though. Learned my lesson. Should have just took this morning off. So addicted to the charts, man. I don't want to know days off. But I can't get back to that. I have to remember this is a business. And if it's not an ideal time to be in it, I need to take it like that and be okay with that. Okay. It's hard to read the tape when the tape ain't doing nothing that it's supposed to be doing. The XY is not giving any insight. I'm trying to see which way it's respecting, but maybe I'm trying to make sense out of nonsense and I need to stop it. Where did it just pull into? It pulled into this volume imbalance for the buys. Yeah. Making no sense. Trying to make sense out of nonsense. The only thing I have is like maybe the bears are winning right now because this fair value gap, it's respecting a little bit. Like it keeps pushing higher. The bodies aren't even respecting it. But at least the bears can say we took out a low. The bulls, it's hard to say. Like we took out this high, kind of, if you want to consider that a high. The bulls like barely didn't even made equal highs there. So It's nonsenseness. My mentor was like, yep, should have waited. I know that's what he's saying. And he quiet. He probably still asleep, resting his voice, getting ready for 9:15. So, sorry guys. I really thought maybe we can make some sense out of it this morning prior to Powell. I did let you guys know. I did let you guys know that it would be kind of messy and hard to navigate because Powell's coming. We learned together. Don't mess with Powell. Don't mess with Powell. I thought it would be something, give us a little something. Because, normally by this time we would be like already in blue, almost about to close the trade at this point. And we're still trying to find the draw on liquidity. Like, the DXY is not giving us any insight. Look at that. We came down into here, but it's not continual to push up. Now we're back into this bearish one to see if it's going to push it down. I'm not showing any like real willingness to go higher. So it's probably, my mentor says like, they're probably holding price where it's at, waiting for the news release, and then sending it to where it should go. But if anything, I do see the bears being better in a way, if we can be better in this type of scenario. I just feel like they have more PD arrays being respected than the bullish PD arrays. Like, I see no respect for the bullish PD arrays. And I see mad respect. Let me pull up my comparison. I'm going to need both right now. Unless Naz is acting funny. Let me keep my eyes on the DXY and make sure it's at least going up, because that'll make the only sense. Let me see. We can change this to, change this to candles. And then, yeah, the bears is looking like it's kind of getting some respect. Take out these lows here. That's probably the only thing. The DXY does look like it's pulling up. But we really haven't taken out any substantial, we haven't had any substantial displacement. Like, it's been consolidating. Like, these little, what did he call them, fluctuations in price can get people excited. And really, it could do what it's doing right now, pulling back. So this is Nas down here. I want to see it have symmetry. See how it made like these higher highs? We didn't get that same strength with SPX, which kind of indicates weakness. Then we have the DXY respecting that 15-minute fair value gap. So it looks like the bears could be winning, targeting this low and preferably using the new week opening gap as a magnet, which is how far away? See, but then it does stuff like that. Trying to make sense out of nonsense. Now we know, go. Moving forward, do not stand in front of Powell. I need to write that down, but I feel like this will be a learning lesson ingrained in my memory. Yep. See, look at that. Just, the bears were winning. They had their opportunity to take a low. It didn't take a low. It's just pulling back up into this. Now it's going back higher. Yeah, so trying to, what do they say? It's like seeing through mud. Now we're back up again. Like, yeah. Nope. No way, guys. Thought that we could make something shake. But since we got on the charts at 8 o'clock, it has gone nowhere. It's gone completely sideways. And which is expected if we got major news driver like Powell coming out. Look at that. So we shall see. I have nothing left to give. I can't keep trying to make sense out of nonsense. It's not following any type of algorithm right now. It's holding price. Keep bouncing back up into here. Are we going to take out a low or no? Nas did a little bit almost. Yep, Nas just did. The DXY though has yet to take out a high. Let's see. I know the only thing that we found insightful today is do not stand in front of Powell. I needed to learn this. Because we've had other news drivers, red folders, you know, and we were still able to find a little something something before 10 o'clock news. But Powell, I guess it's not the same. Maybe Powell's kind of like the CPI, FOMC, and we got FOMC this week. Yeah, I knew things was going to be crazy this week. I had a feeling. Let me see, FOMC tomorrow. Then we have NFP, and you know you're not supposed to trade after NFP on Thursday, after NFP Wednesday. We got Powell speaking tomorrow. Again. It's not given, guys. Nope. It's not given. And look, Nas taking out its low here. We haven't seen that same dynamic energy. Still stuck in this volume imbalance. It looks like the DXY is pushing up higher again, but it's not showing that same energy. Like, look at the DXY. This is the DXY up here. Like, you see that? Like, if it's going to take out this high, then we should be able to take out our low. But SPX is pushing higher. It's not even, I don't even want to say it's pushing higher. It's just moving sideways. We haven't broken any high. Haven't broken any lows. So guys, keep thinking that maybe it'll follow suit. Like, look at I got nothing. I got nothing today. Hopefully, though, we have learned what it looks like to go sideways. Definitely not in trending. We learned this is a likely outcome for Powell. Can't tell ya. Gonna wait for my mentor to come. Let me know something, teach me something. It looks like the Bears, though, could be winning. I don't want to keep, like, saying that, but I mean, possibly to these lows, to this new week opening gap. But it could just be giving anybody the simplest satisfaction. And really, it's still not going to go nowhere. Okay. I like that. But can I take out this low? We just took out this low. Okay. Nas took out its low. Okay. The DXY pushing higher. It's making sense now. We getting some clarity, guys? Are we getting some clarity finally? Goodness. So it all started from this fair value gap on the 3-minute, kind of painted outside the lines a little bit, but it still respected it nonetheless. Preferably reaching for this low, these equal lows into the, oops, what did I just do? Preferably reaching into the new week opening gap. So NAS broke its low, SPX broke its low. And here it goes, pulling back up again. It got me all excited for nothing. Got me all excited. I thought it was going to take that low. And all it did was match its energy. It really had me excited. I thought it was finally doing something. I'm glad to say, though, these type of markets used to chop me up, used to possibly get me all razzle-dazzled. I feel fine. I feel like I'm still trying to navigate price, and I need to just let it go. Because there we go. After this move down, and I thought it was going to pull back up into this pink box. I was about to say, like, I would want to see it come back up into that fair value gap and then take out this low if it's going to sell, and we're not going to be in this stupid range. I got to go soon anyways, though. My mentor, hopefully he can make something shake. If anybody can make something shake, I know he can. Or at least he's going to at least be able to navigate it better than I. But he does say, like, if you're consolidating, the draw could be the new week opening gap. We did have all this beef from yesterday, this run higher from Friday too. I mean, it came from Friday. So maybe, like I keep saying, the Bears looks like they're winning, which makes the most sense. When I first got on the charts, I had said the DXY looks like it was breaking up higher. The only problem is when I got to SPX, I did not see this fair value gap. So I didn't even enter right there. Probably should have, though. With a 2-pip stop loss, not bad. I saw this volume imbalance right here that I thought I was going to enter off of and go higher, but I knew something was up right here when it didn't even respect it. Remember we said that? And I gave it courtesy for just painting outside the lines because of Powell. But then when it didn't take that high and it came down there, that was it. That was it for the buys. We was like, no, sir. So that's how we were readily able to negate and switch sides, because then I had noticed in the meantime, after this, I saw this volume and fair value gap. I was like, I wonder if that's the one being respected, because it came back up into it, painting outside the lines a little bit, took a low, came back up to it, almost taking another low, y'all, this is what I meant from earlier. How the DXY has just been painting so nicely up since last night. Like, look at this. We're reacting really nicely off of this fair value gap, possibly reaching for this high, then that high. But we're not getting that same energy. We just broke out of this 1 hour, almost, yeah. Yeah, we broke out of it. But we're not getting that same type of volume for the SPX. But I mean, that explains why it's going down, though. Man, I wish I would have stuck with that. I just didn't see any entry for the sales. So I thought it wasn't on tandem. So I probably should have waited until I did see an entry for the sell, which happened with this displacement. I thought it was going to be the 2022 model. It didn't take the stop loss completely. It just was choppy, but it did just break another low. Or is those equal lows? Don't be getting me excited for nothing. Okay, here we go. Michael just said something. Since Fed Chair will be testifying at 10 a.m., I will delay my live stream start and begin at 9:45, 50 minutes from this tweet. So I wish I could be like him, where he's like, don't even care to be in the markets right now. He's like, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait. Okay, so how far? New week opening gap is 5 away. That's good. We just took the high, the 15-minute high on SPX. I mean, DXY, trying to take these 15-minute lows. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it. Oh, okay. I thought if it was about to start going back up, I was about to be like, okay, I'm about to call it. Trying to get a little something back. Man, DXY is booming up. Why are we not getting that same boom down? Powell. And Michael says he's not coming till 9:45. Dang, I don't know what to do with my life if I'm not on the charts. Like, we're not even gonna watch opening bell together. Yeah, I can't do this anymore. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm about to. If it don't take out this low. Okay. Because DXY is pushing. Like, what? Freaking NAS is even pushing. Look at NAS. NAS is pushing. DXY booming. What's Dow doing? Meh. Dow's on our wave. Dow ain't doing much of nothing. Ugh. I gotta draw a line in the sand because I'm not about to just keep playing with this all day. I wish it had like a closer short-term high that I could say like, okay, this is where I'm drawing the line in the sand. But come on. Ah, don't do it. Don't you go up. Take out these lows. Take them out. Take them out. Goodness gracious. Finally. Make my life make sense this morning. Thank you. Just a little bit. Like, dang. I'm really disappointed in myself that I didn't see this 3-minute fair value gap because I saw the DXY pushing higher. TP. And I only got half the position on. You think we can make it though? To the new week opening gap? Finally. Goodness. Don't react. Don't react off of that. Man, I wish I would have kept my full position. And I closed half of it. Ah. It's okay though. I'm glad that it's finally blue. We've been having to weather the storm. Now I just got to make sure I don't get too greedy. DXY still going up. I really do like that push down. Preferably, we can make it to this new week opening gap. And then I'll close. And then I'll take a mental break because this was tiresome. Okay, can I get it to down here though? Because then I can win everything back. Am I breaking the rules, guys? Am I breaking the rules? Because if I can get it all the way down there, plus what I got in right now, that can push me back and win back all my losses from that freaking buy. Dang, I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. When I saw the DXY going up, I don't know why I did that. Tripping. I was tripping. And I woke up this morning seeing all this beef that I could eat. I just didn't see an entry for the freaking sales. And then after I took that freaking buy, then I saw it. Right in here in that 3-minute fair value gap. Saw the respect and I was like, oh, okay. But hey, at least we were able to jump ship before it was too late. And get back on the right side of the fence with the right draw. And now we're just reaching for this. A bit disappointed that I didn't have all of my full position on it. I took a loss with a full position. Then I came back in halfway. But if we can make it, look, now I'm pushing it. If we can make it to this low right here, consequential encroachment. Let me see. That's all I need. Consequential encroachment. Yeah. Just get to consequential encroachment. I'll be so happy. I'll be so grateful. And then it'll be done. Come on, don't. But it could reject off of it, off of the top of it. And I will be sick because I could have closed already. Just imagine if I had my full position on it, it'll be ×2 right now. And then I'll be got all my earnings back. But it was choppy. I wasn't confident. So I just lowered my risk. Now we got to make sure, though, that it's going to continue to go down, though. Because we don't want to see it come all the way back up in here, though. That's what we don't want to see. Trying to be greedy, trying to get it to there, and then it pulls all the way back up. Ah! That's what we don't want to see. Respect this volume imbalance. I don't know how much I can ask from the market to be precise with Powell coming soon. Dun, 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 dun. Where did this come from? This came from yesterday's fair value gap inversion fair value gap up in here. Well, I gotta draw my line in the sand somewhere because I refuse to let all my profits get ate up. No sirree, Bob, trying to hold out and be greedy. I need to draw the line somewhere. And I'm gonna draw it right there. Take out this low again. Go, please. Please. Nope. Reject. There we go. Don't play with my emotions right now. I'm trying to keep calm, but you play with my emotions. Come on, new week opening gap. Be the draw that I need. Consequential encroachment, please. What's Nas doing? Oh, Nas just took out his 15-minute low. Did we? I guess we did too. Ooh, I gotta draw the line in the sand. Did it cross my... Let me see. We took that out. That's good. Nas pulling back also. SPX, DXY pulling back. Okay. I might just have to let it go. Get the rest back later. Can't try to force it. Ideally, we would have been out. After it took that low. Got so close to here, which is the new week opening gap. I just really wanted to see it pull into consequential encroachment, which is also this low. That would have been nice. That would have won all my money back. That would have did it for me. That would have made me happy. That would have made me happy. Maybe I'm asking for too much. Because look, we just took out the bodies on the 1 hour. Bodies tell the stories, wicks do the damage. We just took the bodies. I'm trying to reach for the wick. But let's just say the draw on liquidity is all of this. Is all of that. Then I can get through consequential encroachment. Right. I just need to see this low get taken. How far away are we? We are 4 away. Hey, that's like my regular 5 handles. Oh man, it was definitely a bumpy road. Just imagine if I still had my full if I would have had my full position. But oh well, let it go. Gotta let it go. I would have had all my money back right now. But it just took that low. I like to see it. The DXY is pushing up higher. I like to see it. We got opening bell coming out soon too. Y'all know I'm typically out the position before opening bell. I might just have to take what I can get because I'm not trying to play around with this. That's what I'm not trying to do. I'm not trying to see it wick into here and then boom up and then eat out all my Yeah, I'm gonna have to draw the line right here. Come on, though. Can we get it? The DXY isn't showing any signs that it wants to reverse. So SPX don't show no signs that it want to reverse. So we already got one partial notch on my belt. Trying to get this notch on my belt. And then I'm going to just be so grateful we can get the consequential encroachment. That's all I need. Come on. Ooh, make me happy. Nas is bleeding out. That's good. What's Dow doing? Dow took out its low. Let me check the 1 hour. Man, Nas is looking beautiful. So we took out the 1 minute low bodies, trying to get the 1 hour low wick. Nas 100. Took out its low. Dow. DXY. Pushing up high to this liquidity. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. You can make it. Come on, go here next. Go here next. That's all I need. If it can get there, I'm sure the SPX can get to that consequential encroachment. And then the next one is up here. Come on, push to there. And then we could push to ours. I am grateful nonetheless that I was able to draw myself out the sand a little bit. If I would have closed or my re-entry with the cells, if I would have had the same lot size as the lot size I took for the L, which was a 0.02, then I would have been won it back plus some, probably would have closed and called it a day. But the fact that I came back in with a 0.01, now I have to work twice as hard to make back that L because it's twice as less. But I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Like you're supposed to, if you're going to take another entry, you should reduce the risk or the leverage. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know. I'm grateful though that it didn't go bad twice because then I really would have had to been done. Come on, DXY is pushing higher still. I need this to push lower. $9.13. We got a volume imbalance right here. I already drew my line in the sand. Like, I don't want to see it go up higher, especially with the DX. Look at the DXY, bro. Like, look how close we are to that line that I just put. Why are we not getting that same momentum? And I've been saying that all morning. That's going to be so annoying if the DXY can reach that target and we don't reach our target. I'd be so annoyed. Come on. Come on. Take out this low. Show me that you're going to keep going. Show me that you want to go lower. How low can you go? How low can you go? I'm trying to see you go all the way low. Ideally, just fill in this whole new week opening gap. Do that. That's fine. I'm not even asking for that. I don't even want all of that. I just want it to right here. Can I get it, please? Can I get it, please? Can you give it to me, please? That's all I want. I don't even care. I could have already been up if I would have trusted it, had more confidence, but I was freaking myself out. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. So right now, trying to make sure I don't take an L for the day. I don't even care. We have about $268 left before I'm at break even. I don't even care. I'm definitely not gonna try to hold out for another 5. Like, I'm good. I'm just trying to make sure I don't take an L for the day. The fact that I'm able to make it back is enough for me. I messed up earlier. I didn't even listen to the DXY when it told me it was going up, and I didn't believe that SPX was going down. I missed this volume imbalance, fair value gap. I got caught up thinking it broke structure bullishly. It looked like it did. Had a market structure shift, came down. So I really thought it was gonna come down here to continue up, but not according to the DXY. Hey, come on now. Don't. That's all I can say is don't. Please don't do it, because one of us goes in and we all go through it. Come on. Keep breaking lower. It just wicked into the new week opening gap. DXY looking like it's about to take that high. It's so close. If we could take that, possibly we can take our consequential encroachment. Then that high. I don't know if I'm asking for too much. This is so... Well, you guys got to see a day where Trader Girl took an L, had to come back from it. Disappointed because I really, on my L, I had a 0.02 on it, and I only lost almost 3 handles. And thus far, I'm up I'm already up 5 handles, which is my typical goal. But because my L was worth more, it counts more against me because it was a 0.02. And my W right now is only a 0.01, so I have to work twice as hard, even though I only took a 2-handle L. But because it was worth 2, and my W, I'm already at 5 handles, which y'all know is my bread and butter I go to. I just close everything. But I'm trying to win it back a little bit more. I don't know, though, if I'm being greedy. But, I mean, all the times I let all the food on the table, on the times where I only take my 5, I'm hoping that this is one of those days where it can still draw lower and give me a little something else. Since I leave the food on the table all the other days, can't this be one of those days where I just eat the food on the table? Or no? DXY just took its high. I'm disappointed because I really thought if it took this high, then we could take our consequential encroachment. Now I guess we're going to have to reach for this high and hope that gives us enough volume to reach our consequential encroachment. Oh, my goodness gracious. And we're teeter-tottering around this new week opening gap. I know I'm breaking the rules because I just saw 5 handles. I should have closed. I know I should have, but I'm trying to take it all the way. What's NAS doing? NAS is retracing back too, but the DXY is pushing still. Damn it, y'all. I don't see any reason why it would want to pull back up if it's not this new week opening gap pushing it. Then we have news coming out. Opening bell in 10 minutes. Hate that shit. Well, I got to my 5 handles. I didn't close yet. I'm holding out as best as I can. You guys can obviously see this is taking a toll on me. I'm just really hoping at this point, I don't even know if it's confidence or is this just gambling, that it gets to this consequential encroachment just so I can have not an L for the day. Am I being foolish? I don't know. If only I would have, but I can't think like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Thank you. Thank you. Keep going now. Don't stop. Don't stop. 10 minutes left. Don't stop. Don't stop the music. Come on, I know you want to go down here. I know you want to go down there. Just go. Just go down there. Just go down there. Make us all happy. Yo, I don't want to see this new week opening gap act as support. That's what I don't want. Ugh. Humbug. And the DXY is looking like it's trying to retrace. We got 10 minutes to opening bell. Y'all know I hate opening bell. I'm surprised I made it this long, though. I thought I would have been caught it. I'm out here fighting. I'm in war right now, man. Not really, because I'm not like chopping up myself, but I'm holding on with dear life. With dear life. Trying to reach for here, knowing damn well I probably should have closed. Trying to reach for here. God damn. Should have closed at my 5 handles, but I would have been down negative 268. I got my line drawn in the sand, though, guys. I'm not going to let all my profits get 8. Aww. I just got the sweetest message. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, so sweet. Okay. Hold up. Let me get my mind back focused. That was really sweet. Aww. Come on, hold on. Break this low. The DXY is looking like it's retracing, guys. I don't know if I can hold it no more. I don't know if I can hold it no more. No. Oh, no. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. It's showing too much energy from this new week opening gap. If I don't see another low getting broken soon, because you know me, I don't want to see no highs being broken. And look, Come on, volume and balance. Come on, volume and balance. Come on. Come on, please. Send it lower. Take out this low. Come on. The DXY looks like it's trying to pull back up, whatever. That's so sweet. I'm so appreciative for that message because after a day like this at work, that warms my heart. It's not over. I'm not clocked out yet. Thank you, volume and balance. Please take out this low next. Don't respect this volume imbalance. Y'all. This is that like mental lethargic capital. I don't know what he be calling it. My brain is all over the place right now. I'm mentally drained. I've been fighting this, trying to win back, knowing I'm breaking the rules by not closing at 5 handles. I have some reservations because if I would have just did a 0.02, I would have been up with a +5 at this point. And now I'm still just barely trying to win it back. It just reached into this volume imbalance. This mental capacity, I swear. Michael do not get like this when he's trading. He's like cool as a cucumber. But he also doesn't put himself in these situations either. And he does those extremely high lots where he could have taken partials along the way. I learned, though, a lot from today. I'm most likely not. I'm just going to watch tape tomorrow. I'm not even entering. Because I can't. This is messing with my psychology. Thank you. Just take that low. Thank you. Now, come on. Push down. Consequential encroachment. Push down. Drop down, Tatiana. No. I'm high-key excited to respond to that message coming up. But I gotta focus right now. I don't know why I feel like watching. No, I do know why watching tape is important. I gotta watch every candle paint because it's gonna tell me the story that I need to hear. Like that. No. Why is that doing that? Why did it just come down here? It didn't even take the low. It made equal lows. Pulled back up. Come on, break it. Y'all. And we got opening bell in 30 minutes. I mean, in 3 minutes. I don't want to be in it anymore. And then what if opening bell comes and it just pew? But then what if opening bell comes and it pew? 3 minutes. I need to make a decision. What should I do? I really do want to make all my profits back. But opening bell gives me so much anxiety. I know it do. And it can happen in a split second too. Like as soon as opening bell goes, it goes boo 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 boo. I need to make a decision. The decision is I don't know. Like this is pressure, y'all. I haven't felt this much pressure in a while. I am going to put the slippage happen with opening bell. I'm gonna put a tight stop loss and just say fuck it. I'm gonna put it at 404983, 404983, 4049.83. I'm just gonna put it there. Fuck it. If I get wicked out, at least I was able to secure some of my profits. And if opening bell just shoots it lower, I can just close really quick. 4 seconds, guys. Okay. Stop loss not hit yet. Stop loss not hit. Come on. Come on. Drop. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Almost there. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2.3 away. 2.3 away. Come on. Get there for me. Get there for me. Please get there for me. Please get there for me. Fuck. 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 Come on. Ah! No, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Come on. There we go. I want to see that. Keep on going. Hate opening bell. So much movement. Luckily, it's movement in the right direction, though. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. There we go. Come on. We're so close, guys. We're so close. We're so close. We're so freaking close. Oh, my goodness. The DXY. Ah, that's not what I want to see. That's not what I want to see. That's not what I want to see. Ugh. Come on. 1.8 away. 1.8 away. No. Okay. The DXY is not breaking its high just yet. Ah, guys, I might have to close it. I might have to close it. The DXY is not going higher. But I do like that, though. That was a great reaction. What's Nas doing right now? Nas is still bleeding out. Nas is bleeding out. 30. Oh, damn it. No, I'm almost looking at these other pairs. Fucking almost made me. There we go. Almost. Almost, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. No, that didn't just happen to me. No, that didn't just happen to me. I was 0.2 away. Oh, what the fuck? This is why I do not like opening bell. For this very reason. Do you see that? It keeps... What the fuck? Making me question, then it goes my way, then it makes me question again. This is why I do not like opening bell, y'all. I might just have to say fuck it. Oh, I was 0.02 away too. Yeah, I can't do this anymore. Yo, I do not like opening bell. I do not like opening bell, Brody. I do not like opening bell. It pulled so close. I should have closed it when I was 0.02 away. I know better than that. I know better than that. Because your target's not always going to be precise. It's just a draw. And now it's like moving so fast, I can't even. Okay. Come on. It's not looking like it's gonna hit it, guys. Oh, oh. Yo, I'm gonna be so happy. Should I just close it now since we're close again? I don't want to keep making the wrong decision by not capitalizing and trying to hold off till I get here. The DXY is still showing like it wants to go higher. I just don't want to hold on for too long. Fuck. Too long. Held on too long. Held on too long, guys. Should have closed there. Got so close. Worried about trying to get precise. I was literally less than a pipette away. We got this volume imbalance. I don't like how it's failing though to go lower. All these wicks to the bottom. I don't even trade opening bell. Too much volatility for me. Too much manipulation. Too much wicks. That's why I don't like opening bell. Alright. It's done. It's done. It's done. Michael's coming in 10 minutes, so. Well, we got to a lot of our objectives. I really wanted to see it reach to consequential encroachment. I should have just used it as a magnet though. I was trying to be precise, and then I was too busy looking at the other pairs when it did get close just for me to close it, and then it pulled back up. It was a rough morning, guys. It was a rough morning, but we survived. We survived. Y'all see why now Trader Girl does not like opening bell? So much volatility. And then it gets super choppy till the macro comes at 9:55. Then we got PAL coming. Yeah. I was really wanting to see it, but we got less than a pip away. We just came all the way back up. I don't know what that means with opening bell. Like, obviously it's not good. Came to this volume imbalance. It's just too wicky for me. Like, look at all this wicks. This is why I do not like opening bell. It's too volatile. Too volatile. The DXY is still going up, so SPX should still keep going down. But it's not going up by that much. The DXY is still just poking its head. That was nice though. We got super close. And who knows, maybe my wicks were off. I don't know. But I'm proud of how the morning played out, I guess. Now it wants to go after. Fucking whores. Oh, are you serious? I hate the opening bell. probably going to start turning around for people's sell stops who were selling this morning. Probably going to reach back up into here. I'm going to let Michael, though, conclude this on what he thinks it's going to do. I feel okay. I got super close to my TP. It went ways away like I wanted it to. So, can't be perfect. I got 0.02 away. Look at this, y'all. Look at the DXY. Look at the DXY. Do you see this? And we're not getting that same energy from SPX. Like, that's so annoying. Oof. Could have been like NAS, though. So thankful that didn't happen. Dow's doing what it needs to do. Let's just be glad we weren't in NAS. Okay, guys. I thought we would be able to see it reach the green line. But, can't be perfect. We got 0.2 away. Literally just 0.2. And I blame opening bell. They wanted to leave it just so people like me holding out for it get screwed. I blame opening bell. No, I blame myself. It's nobody else's fault. I should have closed. I was too busy looking at NAS. Being greedy. Y'all think we could get it this time around? The DXY is going up. That's what I don't understand. I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Still again, 0.01 away, 0.02 away. What's up with that? Do I got my new week opening consequential in the wrong place? It don't even matter because the liquidity should still be at this low at the bottom of the wick. And this low comes in at 4044.3. We've made it to 4044.5, just 0.2 away. Hate it when it gets so close, but yet so far away. Not again. These relatively equal lows, 44, 40, 44.5, 40, 44.5. I can't believe they did that. Can't believe they left them intact like that. It's because of Powell. Michael's coming soon, guys. So I really thought we were going to get to, what is this? 44.3. Instead, we got to 44.5. So it's okay. It's okay, guys. Can't expect to be perfect. Oh, there we go. There we motherfucking go. Yes. Yes. I was able. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Never again, guys. Never again. I'm never doing this again. Like, this has been so intense, so motherfucking stressful. Now I know to never trade before PAL. Even though it was so smooth sometimes, like it did get to our target, but this has been like a high resistance liquidity run and it's been stressful and I've been trying to remain confident. It has not even given the same momentum as the DXY, but I'm so grateful we were able to pull it off. And I should have been able to pull it off a long time ago if I would have just increased my lot sizes and kept it at my promotion. I don't know why I reduced it, but I did it because I took an L. So I don't know. I'm going to have to reflect on that. But, I think Michael just went live. Right in time. Right on time. I'm done, guys. It's been great. It's been great. I got to go. We made it. We made it, though. We made it. Not an L for the day. I'm so grateful.
Doing an audio check.
Okay, guys, I gotta go. It's been great. So with that said, I know it's been crazy. I don't know if you found this insightful, but if we got to my target, that's all that I care about. I'm still on a W streak. I was able to make back my money, and it's a no L on the day. So, and I got to my TP. Could have wished I could have had more profits, but hey, I'll say that for tomorrow. Probably shouldn't have even been trading today, just watching tape. So tomorrow, just watching tape. I doubt I'm gonna enter because this was stressful. So with that being said, I wish you good luck and happy trading. Trader Girl out.